Alright, so just did my very first flight with this quad. I was so impressed with it. It's just, these motors are impressive. Big time. The power that you get is just ridiculous. It's more than any other motor so far that I've used. And I've used those Emax 1106s, the Sunny Sky 1106s. I haven't used those Spintech 1106s yet, but I probably won't ever because just reading so much about how power hungry they are. And this was just the ultimate setup for me. I mean, I got 2.5 inch props on here. These are the Gym Fan 3035s cut down to 2.5 inch. Same on the back. I cut them down to 2.5, so they're all 2.5. I'm using the Tattoo 650 3-cell. And as you saw from the video, I got almost 4 minutes flying, 3.5 minutes or something like that. And I just checked the voltage and it was at 3.7 per cell. So that's as low as I want it to be, so that's like perfect to be able to fly. I got my timer set on my radio for 3.5 minutes. It beeps, I land, and it's at 3.7, so it's perfect. It's a perfect setup for me. But man, the power that they put out is just insane. I couldn't believe it. I mean, I only did a punch out at that last part of the video, and that was after already going through most of the pack, you know, so, and it still had a shitload of power. So next video I'll do a full punch out from the get-go, and you guys can check that out. But man, I wish I had sound because these motors just sound so crazy. But yeah, super impressive. I'm definitely using these on all my future builds. They're for 2.5 inch quads for sure. Another thing is I forgot that I had the TX200 set to 25 milliwatts. So that was actually pretty impressive to me too. Being able to go around the front of my house like that. I mean, I did cut out. It looks worse in the DVR compared to the live video that I saw. It didn't cut out that much. So that's really impressive to me to be able to go around the front of my house with just 25 milliwatts like that. Pretty impressive. So I'll change this to 200 milliwatts for the next video though too. So yeah, pretty awesome. I highly recommend these motors if you're doing a 2.5 inch 3S build. I guess I'm probably gonna have to build a 3-inch now with these motors just to see what they're like, because I have a feeling they're gonna be badass on 3-inch too. Anyway, that's all I got.